What's up, everyone? The Panda Photographer. We still in Madison, and what I'm doing is a long exposure during blue hour. It's very overcast today and raining, and I decided to use the Sigma 18 to 35 to get a bunch of long exposures. Today's date is December 9th, and guess what? Oh man, the camera's still living on. But what I'm doing is shooting at f13 or f11, and what I'm doing is basically capturing the capital right here in the center, but in my background, very blurred out, very bokeh with long exposure. So you might not see the bokeh, but you might not see the bokeh. But what I'm trying to do is wait for a bus to come around this corner once again and make a turn because it looks interesting. So I'm going to show you an image and tell me what you guys think, or images, and let me guys know what you think about the long exposures with the Sigma 1835. Now I'm using a shutter remote release, and I have the camera sitting on top of this marble platform, so there's no camera shake whatsoever. So I'm shooting at like ISO 64. I got this Fujitech monopod stand, and I got this Pixel TW283 wireless remote. So it works. It is raining, as you can see. The camera's holding up in the rain. So if you guys are curious about the conditions and how this holds up, pretty damn well. It's just drizzling, kind of light raining right now, so it's not too bad. So the Sigma 1835 is well efficient to handle this type of weather. But I'm gonna try to wait for a bus. Oh, there's a bus right now. Okay, bus is coming. Here we go. Let's get set up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till the bus comes around the corner so we get the shot that we want. So the bus is at the bus stop. It's over there. Someone over there. I'm gonna drop my glove really quickly. Here it is. Here the bus comes. All right, and we're gonna wait for it. Well, nope, that's a fire truck. That'd be interesting too, to get the fire truck, but it's not enough lights. So I need more lights on top. So we're gonna wait for it. Be patient, everyone. Patience is key. I've been waiting here for about 15 minutes for a bus to come. And here we go. And 4 seconds. Boom. Hit it. And we got it.